Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Lately, I've been seeing this unlimited gems and coins trick for tasty travels popping up everywhere online. People keep saying it works instantly and can load your account with rewards almost effortlessly. Some claim it's the fastest way to upgrade kitchens, unlock new destinations, and keep the adventure going without waiting. Honestly, I had to see it for myself. So I decided to jump into Tasty Travels, test the whole method step by step, and find out if it really works, or if it's just another overhyped rumor spreading around the internet. In today's video, I'll show you everything I did from start to finish, and at the end, we'll check the results together to see if this gems and coins method is actually worth the hype. The first thing I needed to get was my Tasty Travels player ID. So I opened the game, tapped into my profile settings, and found it pretty quickly. Once I had it, I copied it and saved it so I'd be ready for the next part of the test. Really simple, really fast, and it only took a few seconds to do. Next, I opened the browser on my phone. I used Chrome, but any browser should work the same. Then, I typed in the website everyone was talking about. The page loaded normally, and I didn't notice any strange redirects or anything unusual at first. The layout looked clean and easy to use. Once I got onto the site, I searched for Tasty Travels and picked it from the game list. After that, I selected my device type. I'm playing on Android, but there was also an iPhone option there as well. Next, I pasted in my player ID, made sure all the details looked correct, and tapped Continue. Up to this point, the whole process was smooth, simple, and easy to follow. Now it was time to choose how many resources I wanted to add. Since this was just a review, I picked one of the higher amounts to see what would happen. After confirming it, the site started showing loading bars and progress messages. It looked like something was happening, but of course we still needed to wait and see the real result. There was also a quick verification step at the end, which is common on sites like this. After finishing all the steps, I went back into Tasty Travels to check my gems and coins balance. This was the big moment. I wanted to see if anything had actually changed, and to my surprise, the extra rewards were already waiting in my account. No restart, no delays, and no extra steps needed. Everything appeared instantly. Now that I've tested it myself, I'll let you decide if this kind of method is really worth your time. Some of these tools can look convincing at first, but results may be different for everyone. So it's always smart to stay careful and use your own judgment. Let me know in the comments if you've ever come across tricks like this for Tasty Travels, or if you've tested one yourself. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stick around for more honest tests, game tips, and Tasty Travels content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.